Hi, I'm Matthew Croke, I'm an actor. Tip 1 for someone in training, I really believe that you have 2, 3, 4 years, whatever it is that you have, to train. And I think every second has to be about your training. Make the most of every single teacher, choreographer, director, everything that they have to say, take on board and use it. Tip number 2, try and think what your weakest thing is and push yourself in that area. For example, musical theatre, singing, acting, dancing. If it's your singing that you shy away from, push yourself in that more than the other 2, because you want to make sure that the 3 are as strong as possible for when you leave. Tip number 3, always keep learning. Be open-minded enough to always take in that information and never think that you've got to that point that's good enough. Keep learning, keep taking it in and making yourself better. My top 3 tips for auditioning are, number 1, try your best to get a hold of a script for whatever you're going up for. If there's a film, watch the film, do as much research as you can before even learning your lines. You want to know what the story is, you want to know what the characters are, what the other characters are, and just know exactly what it is that you're going up for. Don't just learn the lines and then say the lines. You really want to do the research. Tip number 2, try your best to be off book. Familiarise yourself with the script and then learn the lines and then try and put it down in the room and give a great performance. Tip number 3, if you found yourself in a dance call, try your best to listen to what the choreographer wants you to do and absorb that information and give them what they want to see. Don't give them your style, give them their style.